Kwaheri.
Kwaheri?
Kwaheri.
Kwaheri.
Oh, that's what the video.
Okay, so you can't see it. Check it out. So watch.
Okay.
He's gonna edit.
What's up, guys? It's a boy Ty. What?
Did you record yet?
Look at that.
What?
From this pool. Anyway, what's up, guys? It's a boy Ty here. This is not really a video. It's just an introduction video. You understand what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. This is an introduction video to my Kenyan friend. I mixed her up. I thought she was Nigerian. It's not funny. But I'm just like doing this video to let you guys know that I'm going to be filming some videos with her. You understand me? Some accent videos, trying to learn her accent. Probably going to teach her some of my Jamaican accent. You don't for that?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. So introduce yourself.
Oh wow, how?
And project your voice.
Protect.
Project.
What?
Speak louder.
Okay. Oh wow. I'm not used to speaking out. Hi guys, my name is Becky Kerubo. Okay.
That's the Kenyan name, Kerubo.
Yeah,
right?
it's a Kisi name.
Keys. Okay. Shut up. Okay.
Okay, I was born in a city in Nairobi. In Nairobi.
We have a spectator, guys. Okay, yeah, and we're studying.
In Nairobi, and Kenya is it's not big. It's like it's from the East Africa side of Africa, and it's not that known, but it's in Africa, so yeah. That's all I
So,
have.
do you rather America than Kenya?
Yeah, Kenya is better.
So, what are you doing? You going back? Are you planning going back?
No, we're staying here. My
No,
mom.
you see you when you're of age. Are you going to go back?
Yeah. Not to stay though, just to visit for months or years and then come back.
Okay, so that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Say something. What's the language called again?
Swahili.
Swahili.
I speak Swahili.
You speak English.
Yeah, and most of the people confuse African. Like Africa don't have a specific language. We have different. Like Congo speak their different. Oh wow, how?
This is like Congo. Congo is
Okay,
a drum.
I have.
You know Congo
Okay,
drum, right?
I have.
Exactly.
I have different how can I say this? I have different
Language?
no, not language. I have 4 languages. Oh wow, how?
Oh, you're bilingual.
I have 4 languages. I have my mom's language, my dad's language, English and Swahili. So I know 4 languages.
I only know 2. Well, 1.
English.
But you guys, people normally say like Jamaican accent is a different language.
You speak Creole.
It's English. Whatever. It's English. it's English, but yeah. So that's a little introduction, guys. Look forward to the videos. Or look forward for the videos coming soon, your way soon. And yeah.
Peace.
Say bye in Swahili.
Kwaheri.
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 Oh, that's for the video, guys. You're not gonna get that. Bye.